Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to be solving some trigonometric problems. So in this question, the first one, we are asked to solve the equation for 2 cosine x equals sine 2x for pi over 2 x and 3 pi. Between these values, these are our values. So we can use by saying sine 2x equals 2 sine x times cosine x. This is double angle identity. We can say equation. And if we rewrite it, question 2 cosine x equals 2 sine x times cosine x. And if we just move it here to here, 0, 2 sine x times cosine x minus 2 cosine x. And if you take parentheses, 2 cosine x, parentheses 1 minus sine x, this equals 2, 0. So we are trying to find the roots, right? In order to find them, we must equal this part to 0 and equal this part also to 0. Let's start by solving this one. 1 minus sine x equals to 0, then sine x equals to 1. And for cosine, it is just cosine x equals to 0. So how can we come to a conclusion where we can find put the value to x and get 0? For x, we can say if x equals to pi over 2, it is 0. I will explain in just a minute why is it that. 3 pi over 2 and 5 pi over 2. Okay? So, if you look at the coordinates, this is cosine x for x and this is sine for y, right? So pi equals to 180 degrees, and if we divide it by 2, we get 90 degrees. When we get 90 degrees, can you see any cosine value in here? No. So that's why pi over 2 equals to 0. But we have to be careful that in the question, pi over 2 is not included for the range. So we are eliminating this value. And our answer is, it is between 3 pi. So if you divide 5 over 2, these are our answers. Thank you for listening.